Austin Felix Elite Series Pro here. We're going to do a quick run through of my 2024 Phoenix. It's been rigged by Sonar Pros. Starting at the back, first thing you notice is the bass brakes. That's a pretty new deal, but they're really slick. They stop your boat's forward momentum. I think a lot of guys are going to have these in the next year or two. Going into the compartment, starting at the end, we have a power pole charge. That's charging my 336 volt Dakota lithiums for the trolling motor. It's also charging my AGM battery. Along with that, I have a designated lithium kit just for my graphs. It has its own separate charger. All of these units are being run on Sonar Pros designated wire harness. That means there's no interference, no draw. You get maximum power and maximum clarity at all times. Moving up to the dash, I'm running two Lowrance 12s on the dash. They're my workhorse units. This is for my side scan, my mapping, waypoints. And then I have one Humminbird, just a 10-inch Humminbird. I'm running strictly Lake Master. There's some lakes across the country that's just the best mapping, and it's really necessary. So not too much there. Going up to the front, there's a lot going on up front too. Running 3 graphs, 2 Garmins, and 1 Lowrance. I'm running a 16 Garmin, a 12 Garmin, and a 16 Lowrance. The 16 Lowrance is obviously for mapping and waypoints and all the manual labor. Both the Garmins are strictly for scoping, one in perspective and one in forward. I have 2 34 transducers, and if you look down here, I do have a saltwater transducer as well. Well, I'm only running 2 Garmin boxes in this unit. I've ran the wiring for all 3 of these transducers so I can quickly switch between that saltwater and the 34 perspective when I want to, when we go up north or I need to be able to shoot farther or deeper water, that kind of deal. All that's mounted to the power pole move, and both of the transducers are on fish obsessed mounts. I would definitely suggest, if you're going to get a forward facing transducer, you put it on a fish obsessed mount. They're very maneuverable. You can switch it from forward to perspective and back again quite quickly. If you come over to the flooring of my 2024 boat, you'll notice that I have Bass Boat Deck customizable EBA foam flooring. It's quicker drying than any carpet that used to be there. It's fully customizable, so you can put any logo you want down there. I got the Sonar Pros logo on the floor. We also have it on the back splash pads, and it's actually running the bottom of all my internal compartments just for added padding, quicker drying, that kind of deal.